Hey guys, I'm going to do 2 sigils that you can use to find true love and to bring 2 people together. So this is the first one. And you copy it exactly as I'm doing here. Right, this one is for finding true love. Okay, this one here I'm going to do is for bringing 2 people together. So you're going to start off with a circle. Right, so a circle in the middle, then another one around it. Then you're going to do a line through here. Right, so a line through each side. Almost like a cross. And you're going to put 2 dots on either side, as I'm doing here. And that's that. And this is for bringing 2 people together. So if you have someone in mind that you want to become more closer with, this is a sigil to use. If you're looking for new love, someone that's not in your energy field, then you use this one. Okay? Then what you do, you take your sigil. You would carry your sigil or around with you, right? You put it in your purse, your wallet, your pocket, under your pillow. So you keep it close to you so it kind of works with your own energy. Okay? So I hope that helps, and I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye.